And what is going on, everybody? It is Dale Jason here, and welcome back to day 7 of Farming Simulator 2013. So we're gonna load up our saved game. In Central Kansas, yeah boy, that is how we do it. Hey. Alright, so we are in our New World, well not New World, but last time we purchased the new John Deere, what is this? Oh, it's weird. Is that a glitch? Like the tractor? Oh. Uh-oh. It won't turn on. That's not good. What's up? Yesterday it was fine. Oh my god, seriously? Oh, I get it. There's a bug with this thing. I see one of them turn on. Oh, I'm stupid. There you go. I'm stupid. I really am. Alright, so that's all better. We're gonna fly this out. Gonna hire the worker. That is working good. This is a great tractor. I really like this tractor. Very nice tractor. Very nice. Yeah, it's nice. I like that. So, I'm gonna hop out of this down. I'm always back here. This is gonna take a while. Hold on, guys. Okay. We're gonna look at.
I just got everything
Upgraded? Racing wise? Like everything upgraded?
Everything's great.
Nice.
Wait a second, is it gonna save?
Yeah. And if it doesn't, you can just redo it. It's fine.
Done.
So what am I doing? This. I picked up this mod. The Valtra Valmet 6800. I picked up then I picked up this, the Mirai Sentinel, whatever it's called. It's a lawnmower. Some more, I'll show you that now. Their bale pack from that model. Oh, picked up a new fence. 614. On the tractor. We got the K721 loader. It's very big. So, but I don't like it that much. But it's blah, blah, blah. We got the bronze bell spike. This hooks up to that. The case. If the case can detach the bucket, that's what I like about it. That's all. That's the only reason why I pick it up. Yeah, I downloaded a couple mods. Get back in here. What I was gonna do, I was gonna start doing cows, like a lot of cow stuff. That's what I was gonna do. But the thing is, I don't think I have the money for it, so I think after this, we're gonna bail. We're gonna buy the baler, the Mikhail baler.
It's insane!
We're gonna buy the Mikhail round baler. And then we're gonna buy the bale spike. And then we don't need a front loader because we have the fence. But we're gonna pick up something to we're gonna pick up what am I gonna use for baling? I think I'm gonna use the John Deere for baling. I'm gonna plant wheat for all the fields. So we'll get a lot of wheat, we'll get money and we'll bale. And then I'll start getting mowing equipment. So you can mow. I want this really bad. It's very nice. Hi kitchen. Hi Louie. Alright, so we're just going to see.
You'll be good, Kevin.
We're just going to see if we have enough. So we're going to take the fence. We're going to take the fence. We're going to drop this off, the weight, and then we're going to go pick up the front loader part. I haven't been in this thing in a while. Dude, shut up. My stupid sister's in the recording. She's annoying.
I don't think it's there.
Like the video if you think she's annoying. Dislike it if you think she's not annoying. How's that sound? Because he's very annoying. And of course he would say no.
Oh my god, it's really bad.
No, duh, it's a Cadillac with all upgraded parts. I think it's slow.
Yeah.
Dude, it has like 700 horsepower. Alright, so we're going to go to the farm shop and we're going to pick up the bale spike and the baler. No, it didn't.
Oh, yeah, that's right, my 5 pound belly.
Dun, 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 dun.
Which one should I do?
It's all up to
It has
you.
to be a C class.
Alright, so we picked up the bale spike. I think I'm going to get a trailer now that I think of it. I might really, I don't know. Because the thing is, like, I don't want to keep going to the cows and back, So I'm just going to unload it. So that's what I'm going to do. But I don't like, you might be thinking like, oh, I should get the Weidman, the front loader. I don't like how the front loaders handle with the bales. They're like all wiggly and the bales usually fly off. So I don't like how they handle with the bales. So we're just gonna drop the baler here and
What? Got that?
eating the candy. Alright, so we're just gonna drop we're gonna drop that. We're just gonna leave the front loader on for now for these purposes, because I think off camera I'm gonna finish this field. This is really bad.
That's why I'm in second place, right?
Wait until you get to the big races. So it kind of looks goofy, but I don't care. I don't know why I have my lights on. So we're gonna pick up that best bike again.
Our booty.
So we got the best bike. It's not a good idea. And we're just gonna leave that right here. I wouldn't. Alright, so this guy isn't even halfway done yet. He's getting dirty. Alright, so I'm gonna go pick up.
Woo!
I'm gonna pick up this guy right here.
Really loud. What's that thing?
We're gonna detach the thingy right there.
Hidden, no.
And then we're gonna detach the bale spike, because there's reasons that I have to get the pallet fork. And we're going to drop the bale weight, the weight. Oh, so many things on this tractor.
Is this music? Dude.
Gosh, it's really annoying. And what we're going to do now, we're going to buy a pressure washer so we can clean our John Deere when it's done plowing. You're annoying. He thinks it's the tree.
Look, Wick.
Cut.
Wick.
Shove it in his face. He's like, I'll pass. Look at them. I can't with this cat. Look at them, cat. Yesterday he was like all lovey-dovey with it. Now he's like, yeah. Oh Lord. Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of this episode. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and thank you guys for watching. Thank you.